In the aerospace industry, critical data like manufacturing logs, service history, and design changes are scattered across disconnected systems. The digital thread isn't a data problem. It's a connection problem. This video explores how we can bridge these gaps across design, manufacturing, MRO, and operations. Consider an aircraft vibration anomaly. Currently, answering 5 key questions about component history, root cause, fleet risk, maintenance impact, and regulatory exposure requires separate lookups across disconnected systems. This process takes days, not hours. A broken digital thread carries heavy costs. Slow investigations lead to unnecessary groundings or unsafe departures. Unplanned maintenance becomes significantly more expensive, and manual data reconciliation directly harms SLA performance. The challenge is structural. PLM, ERP, MRO, and quality systems operate in silos, each with its own definitions. Without a shared model to declare relationships between things like part numbers and component IDs, connections must be manually reconstructed every time. When data is connected, the scenario changes completely. A single traversal of the operational model can provide answers in minutes, instantly linking component history, design specs, fleet-wide exposure, maintenance needs, and regulatory requirements. Connected operational context changes everything. It enables fleet-wide investigations in hours, proactive rather than reactive maintenance, faster repair cycles, and AI-assisted engineering. This doesn't require a new platform, just a shared model connecting existing data. Building the digital thread follows 4 phases, starting with a specific investigation scenario, mapping the necessary entities, connecting source systems to the model, and then extending incrementally as trust and value build. Databricks and Kobai deliver this connected context directly under Unity Catalog governance. With tools like Kobai Studio for modeling, Precursor for mapping, the Saturn Graph Engine, and Episteme AI, you get traceable answers built for aerospace reality. Achieve answers in hours, not days, by grounding your operations in connected data. To learn more about our 2 to 4 week semantic graph pilot, explore our website at kobai.io or email us at contact@kobai.io. To bring contextual intelligence to your enterprise data or for any queries, please contact us at support@kobai.io. Thank you for watching.